Hello, everybody. We got a big group of people that's leaving from the same motel.
In one there's going to be 6, the other one.
Dave, Robbie,
Okay, thank you.
Andrew, some
Something.
Pete, some
Something.
There's a test later.
Ken, Andrew, and Kit.
There's a test later.
I want to get the some screwed up.
Think of this. Our friends thought
I brought my
that we were talking about some
so I
kid.
just chip in like a
Okay, so she's the
Some
some.
kid. So if you think of some kid, where's that
Well,
kid?
like I said, Kenny.
You forget Ron. Yeah, Ron.
So that's why I'm going to have to every time. I know your name. It's just I get confused.
Another popular name here is some kid.
One of them here already. So we got to come down here and again.
You got a business back home?
I do. I got in the Philippines.
I have a shirt for you too. I think I have medium might be right here. Huh?
I have a place to visit.
Have you got a place in the Philippines?
No, not a legit place. How about that?
Home for me was Temple Beach.
Next
I
time
mean,
we meet up,
Cross Road.
Chuck
Oh yeah.
That was my
I'll
big
meet up in
motivation.
there.
Me too. I lost the first one. I lost over $1 million. It was a 5.6 acre.
Hopefully no one cussed.
Property.
ทางนี้ค่ะ ทางนี้ค่ะ ทางนี้ ทางนี้จ้ะ ว่าที่นี่ค่ะแขนเป็นไงบ้างโอ้ อะไรนะคะ
เดี๋ยวให้
ค่ะ
พี่ใจนะ
ค่ะ
เนมแท็กเนมแท็กค่ะ ตรงไหนเอ่ย ตรงไหนก็ได้เนาะพี่ใจเนาะ
ค่ะ สวยจังเลย น่ารักเชียว
Don't miss me this time.
I told a lot of people I'm going to do it.
Especially for Robert Mack.
นะว้าวโรเบิร์ตแม็ก Very nice สวัสดีค่ะอ่าสวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะว่ายสวยจัง
Fight
Hello, Itzy.
See, I never took the person. Right, no. So that's what I was able to kind of like. And a lot of people can't do that. I know there's a little.
I'm here now. I'm here. Everybody say hi. You're live on. Hello, Itzy. Nice to see you here. Tommy. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear anything. You see here, Jim, Meow. Hey, Brock. Hello, Ron. Okay, we got Dave right here. Rob. That's very loud. Very loud. Jim's already eating. Jim was one of the first with his plate. Yank in the Philippines, welcome in. All right, Robert Mack. So everybody, if you know the famous Tom, Dave,
How you doing? What can I say, Mr. Ringston, Tommy?
we're going to be leaving in about 3 weeks.
You gonna be back in October?
We'll be back October 7th.
Okay, yeah, we're coming up then. Where you going? Where do you go? Oh, look, food.
Robert Mack telling you hello.
Oh, hello. Robert, I've got your shirt on.
Look at there. I think you ate that last time we were here.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to have. I like it.
Yeah, I'm going to have that extra guacamole.
So, right here we got Andy and Quan. Tip saying hi to everybody. And over here is Jake and some Kip. Rolla. Yip and Jive. And Ron John. What's happening, Gary? This is a huge crowd here, big crowd. I was really shocked at how many folks came.
So we have 2 seasons.
Yeah, these guys, we told them 6 o'clock and they get here at 5 o'clock to get their food. You guys show up at 5 o'clock to order your food or what?
Oh, look at this.
Oh, Rolla.
Yeah, that's Uncle Craig.
Uncle Craig, sorry. Uncle Craig. Although he's younger than me.
Yeah,
He's a little skinnier than me, too. Yeah, skinny and me don't fit in the same sentence. Boy, that's good looking chow he's got going there. Check out the group over here. I don't personally know them. They're doing that. Good. I missed who that last comment was. I had to look through the last couple. Okay, with our dinner we had 2 taco salads, 2 the guacamole, a margarita, a beer, and a grand total of 970 baht.
Alright guys, we're gonna get going. We'll see you.
Time to get going.
Time to get going.
Time to get going. Time to get going.
You're gonna get all these people in Medicaid?
Probably not.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. Don't you dare say that I wanted everything to fall apart when it's haunting me. 'Cause my only crime was hoping there is something more than this loneliness I feel. But no one makes me feel less alive. We're fighting fire. The way you push my buttons just right. We're fighting fire. When two voices of nature collide. We're fighting fire. Can't help but feel the temperature rise. We're fighting fire. We're fire.
Got nice options for breakfast here. You got Thai food for all the Thai folks if that's what they want. Ooh, bacon and eggs for those Westerners such as I.
It's for me, I think.
Beef? Really? Nah. Huh? I'll try one piece. It's probably good. Over on this side is what also known as sausage. In America, that would be a hot dog. Yeah, just the typical rice and what have you. If you like our content, please consider reaching down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps our channel. Thank you. Bobby and Jai, we're out. Okay, looking around the table, what everybody's having, we're not going to see much what Robbie's having because he's had it.
Pretty much have eaten it.
Oh, you got kapow too?
Yeah,
Like Jai? Yeah.
Thai food.
I've been busy filming, so I didn't get started yet. I'm going after it now.